Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's Laravel tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure Laravel 11 Bootstrap Auth Scaffolding with MySQL Database in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So, previous video we have learned Laravel 11 configuration with step by step in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS with MySQL Database. So there we have learned installation and configuration of Laravel 11, the basic. That is the first part. And in second part, we'll just use the Bootstrap auth scaffolding tutorial. In this video, we'll go forward of the previous video. And just if you want to do this video uh, in practice, then just do the previous video, then go forward to that. So I have a application. I have a server Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let me check the IP address. So there is a IP 192.168.224.134. Now let me access SSH dpt at the rate 192.168.224.134. Okay. So we have access. Now let me check with the IP address, and in this IP address my Laravel is running. As per the previous video, we have already done this one. So Laravel is running. We don't have there is a login and register option here. So with the scaffolding, we'll do that. So first, install the Laravel scaffolding on your project to set up the authentication scaffolding. So go to the project inside the project. So cd where www so html then Laravel app. This is my project name. So here I'll run the composer require Laravel UI. I have to install the Laravel UI. Yes. So running composer update Laravel slash UI, and this is just repository, downloading the repository and installing that. So installation is completed. So now we are using the 4.5 for the Laravel UI. Next up, now we just add the artisan UI bootstrap with the auth scaffolding. Automatically it will create the, just refresh the page. Here we don't have the login and register button link. Let me open. Yes, and we have done. So now let me refresh the page, and we have now login and register button is there. If you click on the login, then we'll get error with the white manifest file. Okay, that is available on this. So next, what I'll do, I'll just change the Apache configuration. So Apache configuration, for that I have to go to the Apache file. So there is a cd plus etc Apache 2, then you have a file Apache 2 configuration file. So vi Apache 2 configuration. Then here I'll just provide the access to this directory, allow override of www. So here I'll add all. Now install Node.js. So here I am just installing the latest node. Okay, so sudo apt-get install my this a yes and Node.js. So enter. So Node.js installation is done. Now navigate to our Laravel project directory. So I'm inside of that. So install npm dependencies. So npm install. So npm installation is done. Now there is optional. Run the Laravel mix. If you are using the Laravel mix for the asset like the compiling the CSS and JavaScript, you have to run the this command. Or if you don't want to run this command, then I will just remove the white. I will just comment the white and I will just add the bootstrap CDN. So first let me run and let me see what happening. Yeah, running. Now you can able to check your application is running. Login page will open. So I'm just this is running for the if you are a local host. If I'll just stop this service, then I will go to the login, then I will get the white error. So removing this error, what I'll do, I'll go to the this particular path inside the layout, this particular path. So particular path there is a cd resources and views layouts. Okay. There is one file is there appblade. So vi appblade.php. Here I'll just comment this line. Exclamation dot slash slash. Okay. Now let me check this is opening or not. Let me remove this line for now. Right and wait. Login internal server error. Yeah. I'm able to access the page without UI. Without means that's CSS and JavaScript. So I'm just here going to download Bootstrap CDN and I'll just use that. So Bootstrap CDN, I'll use the latest one CSS for the HTML. So just click on that, automatically it will copy it and go to the same file. And I'm just adding this one. And at the last of the page, before closing the body tag, here I will add the JavaScript So JavaScript bundle. Okay. So JavaScript bundle, if you want to add, then bundle is the bottom. So bundle I'm going to add. And then login. See, so we have a login page, proper login page, and there is a registration page. So let me check with the database. So I'm opening one more tab, SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.224.134, admin at that 123, sudo su. I'm going to log in with the MySQL -u Laravel underscore u user, then -p admin at that 123. So databases. So I'm able to see the database. I need this database huge. So tables, select, extract from users. So the data will be inserted in the user table. So we don't have the data now in user table. So let me insert one table. Okay, so I have given the password and confirm password. Click on register. So we have logged in, and there you can able to see Chirag logout is coming, and there is a dashboard. So in database you can check select asterisk from users. So you able to see there is a Chirag Mahato is there, email address is there, and password is encrypted automatically. So now I'm just testing with the logout, and again I'm going to log in. So what is my email address? chirag@gmail.com. There is a password. Chirag123. Click on enter. Yeah. So I'm logged in, and I'll show you the wrong login also. Click on OK. Just click this one @gmail.com. Wrong email address and password. Just click on login. So you'll get the credential do not match with our records. So in this video, we have learned how to add Bootstrap auth scaffolding with the MySQL database in Laravel 11 in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So follow the previous video for the configuration of Laravel 11, and after that you can add the Bootstrap auth scaffolding tutorial there, and you can able to access with this URL and not follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.